Hey guys, how's it going? So I want to make this a weekly video and I want to talk about top 5 penny stocks. Why? Because penny stocks are such a high return on investment, but it could also do the opposite. It just depends on your risk tolerance. Some people completely likes to stay away from penny stocks. Personally, I like penny stocks because the sheer return on investment is awesome. So, you can do whatever you want. It's your life. But I've had some multiple success on penny stocks before. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It would greatly help my channel grow. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know at the end of the day. But everyone asked for it, so I'm going to ask for it too. Anyways, I like, penny stocks because they can make you a millionaire. You can't get rich off investing in a company that's not a penny stock. You can't get rich investing into Apple right now, or Facebook, or Disney, because their movement to the upside is very limited. They're more of like a trading platform than really a buy and hold and hope platform, in my opinion. So that's just my opinion. You can do whatever you want. At the end of the day, it's your money. But I like penny stock. Like, let's imagine Workhorse. And let's say you bought into Workhorse roughly. You didn't get the bottom, but you averaged around $2. $2 for Workhorse. You bought 50,000 shares of Workhorse because why? Because you believe that Workhorse was extremely undervalued at these prices, and you believe that Workhorse will skyrocket in the future. Let's say you just believe that, and you bought into it. You would be a millionaire right now. You would have $1 million right now. Because if it went to $20 and you sold out at $20, yeah, you would be a millionaire. You would have $1 million on the balance sheet. So yeah, penny stocks can make you a lot of money, like a lot of money. So, if you still have your shares and it goes up to $30, okay, you just made an additional $500,000. So every $10 it goes up, you make $500,000. So it's, at the end of the day, Workhorse is a gamble if you bought it at $2. If it goes up higher. But if you were to buy right now, you are risking the fact that, there's a possibility it can go back to $2.67. Why? Like, people are like, oh, it'll never do that. Why not? Why can't it go back to $2.56? There's no logic behind saying it can never go back to $2.67. See, that is the risk on Workhorse right now as an investment. That's why I'm a very big skeptic. And there's a lot of short sellers on Workhorse. Let's look at KODK, for example. Let's say if you follow Donald Trump and you got some information that Donald Trump was, going to promote Lordstown Motor. Oh no, not Kodak. Or it was some kind of government deal or something going on, or some kind of deal going on. Like, you heard something or something, some kind of rumor, and you acted on it and you bought 100,000 shares or 50,000 shares. You would have been a millionaire for sure. $1.5 million if you sold it at actually $2 million. If you bought 50,000 shares at roughly 2 something and you sold it out at $50, you would have $2.5 million right now. $2.5 million right now. That is amazing return on investment of 50,000 shares, $100,000. You get $2.5 million back on return on investment. You cannot find this kind of return on investment investing into stocks like Facebook, Amazon, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla at $250. I was screaming through the rooftop for Tesla at $250, but I was being an idiot. I day traded and I lost out on it. So anyways, AMD is another fine example. $1.87. Imagine I bought 50,000 shares of this. I bought 50,000 shares of AMD. This is back when I had no money. Why? Because I wanted to get rich. I thought that AMD was extremely undervalued. Imagine I had a YouTube channel and I went out and I talked positively about AMD and I said AMD is going to the moon. AMD is going to $10, $12, $15 in the future with their new Zen architecture. People were like laughing at me and be like, you're an idiot, it'll never go that price. Well, now it's $77. So yeah, could AMD make you a millionaire if I held on to my 50,000 shares and I didn't sell a single share? Right now, I would have $3.8 million. $3.8 million right now if I didn't sell a single share of AMD. So, yeah, Dr. Lisa Su did an extremely good job of turning the company around, and rich people are pumping the stock. And that's what's going on right now in AMD. So, yeah, like I said, penny stocks can make you really rich. Facebook can't do that. Tesla can't do that. Amazon can't do that because they're already in a big giant bubble. So, yeah, are they safe? No. If a stock market crash happens, those stocks are going down and you're losing a lot of money. So let's talk about my last 5 picks for penny stocks. I talked about Lithium Corporation. I thought Lithium was a good investment because I saw American Lithium go up, skyrocketed, and I looked in this company. I'm like, hey, it's profitable. So, like, I like to invest into profitable company, and then I look at its balance sheet. It's like, oh, it has a really good balance sheet. It has no debt. It has $33 million of cash. So, you know, 50% of the market cap is in cash right now, and that other 50% is in property. So you're paying 1-for-1 on this investment if you really believe in the long term. And if it went back to $2.42, you can make a lot of money. Like, let's say you bought, I don't know, 250,000 shares. How much is 250,000 shares? $137,000. If you put $137,000 into this investment, which is a lot of money to a lot of people, and it went back to $2, yeah, you would make $1 million. But who would gamble on that? Like, who would? I mean, there would be some people who gamble on it, but they would have to have, decent amount of money to do it. And, like, it's tough. It's tough to make that kind of decision. I know. And then Nano One Corporation is the second pick. I don't know how much the stock can go up by, but I just want to, go over about what happened last time. It was 277. Oh, that was a nice click. 277. The price right now is 295. And then the next one, and you know what? In the future, I'm probably just gonna crop this out and just put it on Paint, so I don't have to like go through my video and click on it. I can just quickly go through it, and not waste people's time. Oh well, too late now. Maybe in future videos. But let's go talk about 277. Nano One is 295. It went all the way up to 344. You could have made a decent penny off of it. Oh well, that's life. Moving forward, if you sold. Moving forward, we talked about Delta 9, 56 cents. Now it's trading at 58 cents. It went as high as 62 cents. You could gamble that Delta 9 will one day go back to, $1.49 and make you a millionaire or make you a lot of money. You could definitely gamble that, but I have no idea. I don't think so. It's not a company I'm interested in gambling in. Canada Nickel Company. If they get to deal with Tesla, this stock could go to $10. So Will they? I don't know at the end of the day. I hope so, because I am a shareholder. I'm not a big shareholder. I am a shareholder in this company, and I am a little bit underwater. That's my that's, and then the last pick is Very Good Butchers. $1.55. Very Good Butchers is $1.54. I think that this is a I don't know. I don't know. And the stocks could go back to $1.09. If the stock market crashed, we can see this thing go to 50 cents. I don't know at the end of the day what the stock will do, but I like the business, and if it goes down more, I'm just gonna have to buy more. Just because I truly believe that this could be a millionaire maker, but you need to have at least 100,000 shares, and you need to gamble that the stock will go to at least $10. And I do believe that this thing has potential to go to $10 in the future, maybe even higher. That's why I'm invested into it, and I like the company, and I like the product, and I will continue to support the company by buying the product and buying any dips on this stock, because I like the company. Solo, I like Solo is another big investment of mine, and this is my first pick of the day. So this is my first pick of my 5 stocks to pick. $3.16. Could it go back to $1.98? Yeah. It could it go back to $2.50? Absolutely. Could it go back to $1 or lower? Yeah. If the stock market crashes, that is a total possibility. You cannot forget that. If a stock market crashes, Electromag could go back to $1, but at $1, it's ridiculous, and I think the company should use some of their money to buy back some of their stock, in my opinion. But they could also do like a reverse split too, just to reduce the amount of shares and just still keep the cash. So yeah, there's 2 possible scenarios they can do. Don't know which one they will do. Or you can just keep the cash and just hold the stock, and eventually think that the company stock will recover, because they're not very heavily diluted at the end of the day. So yeah, I would load the boat on it if it entered $1. I would be like, yeah, banzai. I'd be like, all in. I work every dollar I make at work. I'd be like, all in, everything into this company, because you're paying like $50 million for it. So will it? I don't think so. I really don't. But I would load the boat on it at $1. High Tide. I like this company. I think that this company has potential to be $1 in the future. It just depends on execution and the right press release. So let's see what the company can do. This is my second pick. I do have an investment in this company, and if it goes down to 10 cents, I'm buying more, because I like this company, and I have to buy MJ. So if I was to buy MJ, I'd probably go to this company, because I want to support it. If I ever was to buy a bong or MJ accessory, I would use High Tide, because I want to support this company. I want to see this company grow, and I want to see this company make money, and I want to make money off of the stock eventually as a long-term investment. Could it go down lower? Absolutely. Could it go all the way up to $1? Absolutely. Why not? $200 million market cap on High Tide is not something super unreasonable, especially if they can grow their revenue at a decent rate and they can execute. So yeah, I think one day it could. I think that the stock could be 50 cents easily, and $1 is something that is like, they have to really execute to get to $1. But I think they could do it. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, I might sell out at 30 cents just because I doubled my money. But it also depends on what the news is on it. If I see potential for more growth to the upside, if it ever went to 30 cents, I might hold and gamble that will go higher. I could lose all of my investment. Just like Solo. When Solo jumped to like $6, I was like, I could have sold, I could have took my profit, and I could have bought back in at $3. You know, I would have been really happy, and that would have been a super nice trade. But I really believed in this company, and you know, the pump was over, and it got dumped. And it sucks, because I gambled on it to be a successful long-term investment. and it failed, but at least there was some good that came out of it. The company exercised some warrants when the stock price was sitting at $5 or $6. And because they exercised the warrant, they now have some money. They have about $50 million of money to execute on. So I believe in this business. I believe in the product, and I will be a long-term investment. I'm not going to sell at this point. At this point, I'm just looking to accumulate. So let's see if this thing can get to $2 or even $2.50. I probably won't buy. No, I might buy a little bit more at $2.50, and then I'll buy some more at $2, and then but definitely no, at $2 I'd probably buy a lot more. But yeah, that's just my plan moving forward. High Tide at 10 cents. Oh yeah, I already talked about Largo is my third stock. So profitable company, good amount of cash on the balance sheet. Insiders buying at below 80 cents. Could it go higher? Sure. Could it fall back down? Yep. So let's see where it goes. It's a penny stock. I'm bringing it up because they're profitable. I have a 0 position in Largo. Afria, penny stock. Period. The end. Could it go higher? Yeah. Could it go back to $20? Yeah. So no. U.S. legalization, $20. Europe, Germany legalization, $20. Anything, so yeah, there's a lot of potential in this company. You just gotta wait for the right catalyst. Earnings is not gonna do it. It has to be the legalization of Germany for that to happen. Quest Capital. This is a pure speculation company. I would not, this is pure gambling. It's like rolling the dice on this. Could it keep going up? It still has momentum on its side, so we'll see, right? 0 position in this company, by the way, and it's definitely a penny stock, so I brought it up. It could it go to $1? Yeah. Could it go to $10? Yeah. Why not? Stocks are worth as much as investors are willing to pump, so why not? Anyways, this is it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.